Alright guys, here we are again. We got the early 70s Sturmey Archer 3-speed, and what happened to me here is the little oil port is a piece of plastic, and it's so freaking old that it just disintegrated. So I got some new ones, and believe it or not, this piece is threaded, so you have to spin it out. So that's what I'm trying to do here with the wheel on, and should be an easy project to do on your own, but just know it should unthread out. So just spin it to the left, lefty loosey, and there it goes. So the new one is exactly the same with the threads. You just pop it in. The only hard part is, getting it to seat the right way. Still messing around with my video editing. I have free software and it doesn't let you edit or cut videos. I'm just like avoiding paying for anything as always, but yeah, Windows 10 or 11, whatever it is, no good. But here's the new one. I'm gonna try to spin it on, and it really just need two hands to get it on there. It's impossible to hold the camera and show you guys, but moving forward, you'll see later on. I'll show you how I have like a little bottle of oil that came with my Lionel trains, and that works perfect. I filled it back up with just non-detergent like motor oil, and that seems to work great. I just put like 10 or 12 drops in whenever I remember, and that's about it. Good luck.